Project quality management. Project quality management. Understand the importance of project quality. What is it? Describe quality planning and its relationship to project scope management. List the three outputs of the quality control process. What is quality? Car ride reliability, fit and finish, audio system, food taste and freshness, stitching, comfort, wear. Then what is more on quality? The International Organization for Standardization defines quality as the totality of characteristics of entity that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or applied control. Other experts define quality based on concordance. Purpose of quality management to ensure that the project will satisfy the needs of the which it was undertaken, scope, cost, performance, meet or exceed customer satisfaction. The customer or end user ultimately decides if quality is acceptable, period. Project quality processes. Quality planning, identifying which quality standards are relevant to project, how satisfy them. To quality assurance, evaluating ways to improve overall quality. Quality is planned in. It is important to design in quality that communicate important factors that directly contribute to meeting the customer's requirements. Outcome, a process, quality like functionality, feature, system, and output performance. Quality assurance is include all the activities related to satisfying the relevant quality standards for a project. Another goal of quality assurance is continuous quality improvement. Benchmarking can be used to generate ideas for quality. Quality assurance plan. For big projects, it can look like a book complete with chapters and indices. Key project of any size require some plan to ensure quality standards are met. Quality control. The main outputs of quality control are acceptance decision, rework, process adjustments. Same tools and techniques include Pareto analysis and statistical sampling. Pareto analysis involves identifying the vital few contributors that account for the most, meaning that 80% problems are problem ideas. Thank you for listening and God bless. Project quality management.